Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making breadnut, also known as Chataigne. Okay guys, so a friend gave us some breadnut, also known in some Caribbean islands as Chataigne. And this will be the first time that I'm attempting to cook this, but it's quite simple to cook. So the first thing we're going to do is rinse out the bread nut. I'm going to wash this and rinse out the water a few times. You can see how the water is cloudy and dirty. Okay, so I'm just going to get to washing this until I can get my water as clear as possible, and then I'll be back. All right, so now that our breadnut is washed, I'm going to put it in my pressure cooker. Okay, so now I'm going to fill it with some water. Okay, that should be good, so just enough to cover it. And now we're going to put some salt in it. So you want it well salted. So I am going to put about 2 teaspoons of salt in this. I have flake salt that I'll be using. So 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. I'm going to give that a stir. Actually, hold it so you can see. All right, so now I'm going to put this on the stove to pressure cook for about an hour. Okay guys, so this is the breadnut after pressure cooking for about an hour. What I did do is 15 minutes in, I did open it up to check the water level, and I did add a little extra water at that point, but after that, that was it. I was checking at 15-minute intervals on it. And this is it here. This is it after 1 hour. So what you do now is that you have to peel off this outer skin or shell. It's kind of a little bit tough, the outer skin, if you will. See that? This piece here. So you peel that off, as well as this brown covering as well. And what you do is you eat the inside. You can see this takes a little bit of patience. There you go. I think I got it now. And this is it here. This is the breadnut. This is what you would eat. Yeah. As for the taste of it, for me personally, it doesn't tickle my fancy. It almost reminds me of a boiled chickpea. You know the chickpeas? It almost tastes like a boiled chickpea to me. But that's how you cook breadnut.